know if you guys can see it or not, but we got water meter going in today. Alright guys, before I start building today, I'm going to show you a little bit what I've got going on here. So I didn't have a miter saw table, so I just built one homemade, and I made it to where I made a little slot there just for the miter saw to fit in. That way I can pull my boards through there, and it makes it a lot easier on a guy. All those 8-foot boards up there, those are the interior studs, and I'm going to cut them all at exactly 8 foot so that there isn't any of them shorter or longer. They're all perfect. So let's jump right into it and let's get these things cut. Let's get this house built.
Use your knees, not your legs, not your back. Where you want my end?